Hi, this is Gini. I'm one of the design team members at the Beary Scrap, and I'm going to show you some fun things that you can do today with Tattered Angels. We're going to end up making this little box. So, first off, you want to get a piece of white basil cardstock and pick whatever colors of Tattered Angels you want to use. To shake it, you just want to go side to side so it doesn't make a lot of air bubbles. I work on a Teflon sheet so I can clean up easily, and I'll start spraying off of the mat, off the paper, and just kind of long streaking strokes. I'm changing colors. That first color was Tiger Lily, and now I'm going to go to Daffodil, which is a little bit lighter. Okay, good. After you've sprayed your paper, take some kosher salt and sprinkle on it. This makes a really cool pattern. And after it's dry, it's going to look like this. Okay, now because monarch butterflies have some depth to them too, we're going to take our piece of paper that's dry now, and we're going to take some of the Tattered Angels glimmer screens, and it doesn't matter which ones you have. We're just going to lay these all over the page just because we want them to serve as a resist for the black gold we're going to spray over this. Okay, and we just mist over this. And then remove the screens. That leaves you plenty of your orange and yellows with a little bit of black in it. After this is dry, you can take a Martha Stewart punch, this is the Big Monarch, or whatever you want to use, and punch out, and we're going to end up with a bunch of butterflies that we can put on our final project. Another thing that you can do with the Tattered Angels is take a piece of cardstock or designer paper that you want to change the color on. So this one's really beautiful as black and white, but it doesn't really go with my project. So I'm going to go back to our Tiger Lily and just mist over it. Some of the Daffodil. Some of the gold. You can add as much or as little as you want. I just usually let mine air dry. You can speed it up a little bit with a heat gun if you'd like to, though. So your papers are now ready to make your project. Just a few of the other things you can use when you have leftover on your Teflon sheet. You can just take a Prima Flower and just soak up some of the color to change the color of your flowers. And then the final thing that I did with the Glimmer Mist was just took some chipboard and colored it to make this flourish. And this is Spring Mint. And again, just mist it. This works great for chipboard or grunge board, or you can do ribbons, anything you want. So then you can put together your project. And this is just a gable top box, and we hope that you enjoy making this.